Start by logging in to the Autobot Signal website. Once logged in, navigate to the Download button at the top right corner next to your profile. Here, you'll find download options for both Windows and Mac OS. Select the Windows version for your computer and click Download. After the download is complete, unzip the folder to access the installer file. Locate the file named autosignalinstaller.exe. Double-click it or right-click and select Open to begin the installation process. If a permissions window pops up, simply click Yes. You may need to click Show More Details and then Yes to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, the application will automatically launch, displaying a list of all available brokers. Select your preferred broker and click Connect. To start the connection, log in with your broker credentials, your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see a Signal Key input box appear. This Signal Key is essential for Autobot to execute trades. Without it, the bot won't operate. Be sure to enter your Signal Key before moving on. There are 3 ways to obtain a Signal Key to start automating your trades. 1. Use a free Signal Key from our website. In the Signal and Indicator menu on our website, you'll find free, pre-made Signal Keys. Simply copy a key and paste it into your Autobot and you're ready to go. 2. Copy trade from top traders. In your profile, select Top Ranking Trader from the drop-down menu to view a list of top traders. You can follow both live and demo traders. Please note that copying trades from live traders depends on each trader's permissions. They may allow it or not. If you're keen to follow a particular live trader, feel free to join our community and ask if they're open to letting you copy their trades. 3. Use custom indicators from TradingView or MetaTrader. Autobot Trading Signal integrates seamlessly with TradingView and MetaTrader platforms. This allows you to automate trades based on your custom indicators. You can also build a community where other traders can follow your signals. Once your Signal Key is entered, navigate to the Settings section to adjust your risk management options. Customize these settings to align with your trading style and budget. With everything set up, the Autobot Trading Signal will handle the trading for you, allowing you to earn passively while you focus on the things you love. Thank you for choosing Autobot Trading Signal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Happy trading!